Hi, I'm Michael McLachlan.
And I'm Barbara Brindle with RE/MAX Hallmark. So we had an expert come in recently to talk about the Residential Tenancies Act because of the upcoming changes that are taking effect on May the 1st. What did we learn, Michael?
We learned that we needed a lot of improvements in our best practices representing our landlord and tenant clients.
We did. We actually also learned that in the industry there are some either willful or negligent or just plain doing things incorrectly, missing things. So we decided after this session that we would work together and come up with best practices for our agents, and we're just getting ready to release that, and then we thought maybe other people would find this useful as well. So we decided to take a leadership position on this. And how are we going to roll this out, Michael?
We're going to open up our doors here at the new Training Development Center at RE/MAX Hallmark and teach a few courses on best practices for representing your clients in a leasing transaction. So our first date is going to be on May the 4th, followed by the 7th and the 11th. And we'll keep running this until we're ready to stop.
Until we're ready to stop. So our promise to you and our commitment to you is to save you time and to have you be very confident out in the marketplace when you're representing landlords and tenants. And you'll walk away with basically a complete set of documents as a suggested best practice and guidelines around how to work with landlords and tenants with the new changes and the new standardized form lease that's now mandatory on May 1st.
Absolutely.
We look forward to seeing you there.